Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Framer and publish responsive designs, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Framer's website. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Framer account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Framer dashboard. To start a new project, click on the Create New button. Select Responsive Design from the available project options. Now, familiarize yourself with the Framer interface. Use the left panel to explore design tools. Drag and drop elements from the toolbar onto the canvas. Adjust the size and position of each element to fit your design needs. Utilize the Properties panel on the right to tweak design settings. Review your design as you make changes. To test the responsiveness, click on the Preview button. Adjust the screen size to check how your design adapts. Once satisfied with your design, it's time to publish. Locate and click on the Publish button in the top menu. In the dialog that appears, enter a title for your project. Choose the visibility settings for your published design. Click the Publish button to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation message once your design is live. Share the link to your published project with others. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.